In this video, I'll show you how to see someone's recent followers on Instagram. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification to this channel for lots of educational kinds of content like this. So I'm currently on my Instagram, right? And if for any reasons you love to see someone's recent followers on Instagram, what I'm gonna do right now, just select or choose your favorite Instagram person you wanna search right. So let's say I wanna use Fisayo, right? So he's a popular tech Nigerian content creator. So I'm gonna go on his profile and you're gonna see he has 290,000 followers here on Instagram, right? And he's following about 3,000 people. So if you want to see his recent followers, just click on the followers, right? Check you're gonna check the first person to appear, right? So this is the person, this is his recent follower right here. This is the recent follower, right? So yeah, he has just 5 posts, 0 followers, and he's following 9 people. So this is basically how you can see someone's recent followers on Instagram. If you find this video helpful, share it as below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm gonna see you all in the very next one.